Hey designers, today I will show you how to create a fade effect for text in Adobe Photoshop. First, make sure to create a black background. Then, select your text tool and in the color white, create your desired text. Convert your text to a smart object and set your blending mode from normal to dissolve. Then, add the filter and select the path blur. Here you can move your points and control the direction of the blur. You can add some points on the path to make a curve. In the settings, make sure to change your blur to rear sync flash. Change the speed and taper to your liking. One important note is that depending on your zoom, the grainy blur will look different. Press OK, duplicate your text and then set the second one from dissolve to normal. This will make your text a bit more readable. If you don't like the grain, try changing your image size. The dissolve effect heavily relies on the image size, so your grain will look different if you change your size. And that's pretty much it. Like this video if you want to see more tutorials like this.